Hello, my name is Chris Vasu. I'm the Executive Vice President with AO Globe Life. Welcome to our company overview. The goal for today is to review a lot of information on our company, especially where we've been, how we got to where we are, and where we're going, and how you might fit into that. We're going to go through a lot of information in a real short period of time. Please take a lot of notes, so let's get started. We're going to start today off by covering our history, how we got to where we are. We'll talk about what we do for our clients and how we serve them, our marketing approach, how we've developed our brand and built our business over time, the impact that we have in communities all over the world, and then expectations for the ideal candidate. Now, AO Globe Life began in 1982, a collection of small offices in the Pacific Northwest in the United States, founded by our chairman, Rick Altig. Now, over the years, there's been monumental growth. In fact, it's been 409% growth over the last 10 years for our company. Started with a couple offices. Now it's the single largest distribution channel for all of Globe Life. We're in all 50 states in the US and 7 Canadian provinces. Again, really having a dramatic reach across North America. We're excited about our company's growth. If you're going to make a decision to join a new company for the next step of your career, the company better provide stability and growth. That's really important. We're really proud that since 2020, we transitioned our company to a 100% virtual model. All of our people work from anywhere in the world. We're 100% virtual. That includes all of our staff. That includes all of our people serving our members. But it's been record-breaking year after record-breaking year, capped off by an incredible 2023 where we did over $114 million in new sales just in 2023, an amazing 40% growth over 2022. That's the kind of trajectory I'd want to hitch my wagon to. So let's get back to Globe Life. Globe Life, you've probably heard of them. They have more policyholders than any life insurance company in the world. They are a symbol of strength, stability, and societal impact. You may have recognized the Globe Life brand in other places, even on your TV screen. The Texas Rangers play at Globe Life Field. We're an official partner with the Texas Rangers. By the way, 2023 World Series champion Texas Rangers. The Dallas Cowboys, we're an official partner with the Dallas Cowboys. FC Dallas in Major League Soccer, proud partner of FC Dallas. And most recently, the Atlanta Braves, proud partner of the Atlanta Braves organization, enabling you to build your brand by partnering with Globe Life, this very powerful national brand, international brand that's helping us build our business and continues to invest in all of our people. We couldn't be more excited about where we're going. Now, the way we built our brand over the years and developed our company is by forming relationships with working class families. Many years ago, this started with labor unions. So electricians, firefighters, Teamsters, steel workers, these groups that represented working class families, we have a public relations team that would go into these meetings to meet with these groups. And in these meetings, these members are sharing what's important to them. What are some of the things that they want that their employer is not providing? What are some benefits they need to provide some extra security? Our public relations team would take notes, go back to Globe Life, and work on developing products to meet those needs. And it's a really cool approach. We never, ever in our history have ever met with a representative, with a member that didn't write out a request to meet with a representative. So our representatives don't meet with anyone until a member of the groups we serve writes a request in, sends it in the mail, and they come to our representatives. Now, obviously, since we've gone to a virtual model over time, the process is a little bit more unique. It's fast-tracked, but we're able to serve so many more groups and so many more markets that are made up of these working class families. Started with unions, now it's credit unions, veterans. We have a family care market. We have existing policyholders we continue to see and serve over time. And then we have what we call plus leads, where members of the groups we serve can actually sponsor in friends, family members that they know could use these benefits, and they could see a representative have access to the same exact rates, whether or not they're part of those groups, which is really powerful. And it's now our biggest market. So we're really excited about that. I mentioned benefit options. So our company has provided benefit options to provide more security to families all across North America. Well, what do those benefit options look like? So I thought for this part, I would share my screen to recap for you a pretty typical situation that our people run into every single day. Now, This program is put together for Mark and Beth and their children. You can see at the top, our power concept. All this means is we rely on an old adage in the union market where you set aside 1 hour's wage to protect all that you are financially for your family. In this example, Beth's a firefighter. She's making $29 an hour. Mark is also working and they have 2 children. So in this example, Beth's going to set aside $29 a week to provide all of these benefits to her family. An emergency room benefit. Anytime someone goes to the emergency room, $150 paid to the household. Daily hospital benefit. If somebody is confined to the hospital overnight, $300 to the family. Intensive care, $600 per day to the family. Again, health insurance pays the doctors and the hospital. This money goes right to the family. There's funeral and final expense protection built in. These are permanent benefits designed to be there for life. A freedom of choice final expense policy, $30,000 on Beth, $30,000 on Mark, and money there for the children. Should they die at any point in time, any cause of death paid out to the family. If it's an accident, an extra $130,000 for Beth and for Mark. If it's an auto accident, an extra $160,000 for Beth and for Mark. And if it's a common carrier, $250,000 extra paid out to Mark, Beth, the children, should something like that happen to catch the family off guard. Oh, and by the way, there's also monthly income protection built into this program. If something happens to Beth, any cause of death, $4,000 a month is going to Mark and the children every month for 2 years. Same thing. Something happens to Mark, $4,000 a month goes to Beth and the kids for 2 full years. So really simply, I would ask you, like we ask all of our members, which job would you take? Beth, $29 an hour over 40 hours a week is about $1,160 a week. And that's her current job, job 1. She's getting normal sick time, vacation, her normal benefits and retirement. But what if there was a job 2 option? And instead of $1,160 a week, she brought home $1,131 a week, about $29 less, but she's getting all of those benefits that we just went over. Which job would Beth take? I would ask you, which job would you take? Most of our people say job 2 all day long. I go to work to provide for my family anyway. How do I sign up for job 2? So what happens when someone signs up for job 2? Well, our representatives get paid. How do they get paid? If you take $29 a week and you take that over 52 weeks in a year, it comes out to a little over $1,500 a year. We would call that annual life premium, about $1,500 in premium. The representative gets paid about half. So on that policy, the representative would make about $750. Now, most of our people, they work from anywhere. They work from all over the world. Most of our people tend to work about 5 days a week. So if they see a few families a day and they enroll 5 families over the course of a week, take 5 times $750. That's $3,750 of weekly income over the course of 50 weeks in a year. It's $187,500 of income paid out to that representative. And again, $29 a week is a very typical enrollment for a family that we would see. But we are looking for representatives. We have so many members and working families that need to be seen. And we always want to do more for others in every single way in our company. But we're looking for leaders. We've developed all of these systems. We have all of these resources. We have all of these markets. We know the way to help you build a business and to ensure your success. We want people who have the heart for leadership, who want to lead others. We want people like that to plug into our systems. Let us teach you. Let us show you the way. We will lead you to tremendous, tremendous success. If you have that within your heart, we could be a really great fit for each other. It's not just the income, though. We also have group health insurance for all of our people. There's a group life insurance plan, Globe Life stock purchase program. The Globe Life ticker symbol is GL on the New York Stock Exchange. Very, very valuable, well-performing stock. There's also a path to partnership. If promotions, making more money, reaching higher levels of leadership is important to you, our path to being a partner with the founder of our company is in writing, and we show you the way to get there and help you get there every step of the way. Now, really important part of our business is renewal income. All of our people earn renewal income. Renewals are the income that you earn for the work that you did prior. Most of our representatives start earning renewal income in their 12th month of the business. And on average, it accumulates to about $1,000 a month of renewal income for every year served. That means when someone's been here 10 years, On average, that person's going to be making about $10,000 a month in renewal income for all of the programs that they've enrolled in those 10 years, even before they go to work that next day. That is really powerful. That is retirement income that pays you before you even retire. What about traveling the world? AO Globe Life goes truly all over the world. Some of the most exotic, amazing destinations. We are all about working hard and serving our member families, but we also want to play hard. We want to build strong relationships. We want to be a really strong company. So a few times a year, we send our people all over the world. Last year, we've gone to the Dominican Republic. We went to Amsterdam. We went to Iceland. We've gone to Dubai. We're going to Dublin. I mean, some of the most amazing destinations of the world just for doing your job. We want to provide those life-changing experiences to you and to the people closest to you. If you've always wanted to travel the world, have that kind of an opportunity, we may be a very good fit for each other. It's not just fun, though. We also want to give back. In every community we travel to and in all over North America at the local, national, and international levels, we give back. Globe Life has a program called Make Tomorrow Better. We are all about that. We are a big part of that. And we want to make tomorrow better in every community that we serve. So if giving back to communities and being a part of something bigger is important to you, we want to have a conversation with you. We may be a very good fit for each other. What about expectations for the ideal candidate? If you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I think this is me. This sounds like the kind of company I could contribute to and a company that could do a lot for me. Well, the insurance industry is highly regulated. You do have to pass an insurance exam. The good news is there's a pre-licensing course. We have relationships with the very best pre-licensing courses in North America at a steep, steep discount. You make it through the course, you pass your test. Your state is going to require some fingerprinting and a background check. You get a license. It is the quickest and the easiest licensing process that exists. So if you know anybody who's become a real estate agent, it is not like that. Most of our people get licensed. They complete the entire process in less than a week. So what are the next steps? Now, as soon as this presentation ends, you're going to see a prompt. It's going to ask you, yes or no. Are you ready to move forward with the next step of the process? If you're not, no problem. Best wishes to you. We wish you the very best of luck. If there's anything we can do for you, we are all in. Just get a hold of us. But if the answer is yes, we cannot wait to spend some more time with you. Please click yes. It's going to lead you to a questionnaire. Fill that out completely. We do look at that as part of our hiring assessment and decision, and we do review that with the leadership team. As soon as you submit that, within a couple of hours, you'll be contacted by a member of our team for the next step of the interview process. Once again, we wish you the very best of luck. We're so grateful you took some time out of your day to learn about us, and I hope to see you at one of our next retreats.